40 seconds.
Whoa. Alright.
30 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's disqualification, isn't it?
Yeah, port tack starts, not go.
Oh, look at
Wasn't
this
watching,
wind.
did someone start on port?
Yeah.
Who was that?
Well, Daryl's doing it.
There's Keith and Grego.
Well, I didn't see it, so I don't know who it was. Sorry.
You alright?
I thought I was above the mark, I wasn't.
Oh, this is me. I'm looking at my son's boat going, oh, I'm really going good here. That's what we need. Woo!
I've no idea. I think I might have done the 360 welder and otherwise.
No, I've got nothing. I need the breeze. It's coming up on me, but use it.
Up.
You can't push him off the line.
No, I didn't. 31, 181, 118.
Remember where you finished?
Third. 63. Oh, yeah, he's got you, I think.